People are obsessed with their phones nowadays, and this often causes extra hazards for road users. This situation happened to me the other month. Whilst on a lesson training a driving instructor, we nearly ran someone over.
Sorry.
Alright. So the clip we're going to have a look at today has actually been sent in by one of my viewers, and it's nice actually to have the perspective from a motorcyclist and a pedestrian in this particular clip. Now, this clip has been seen quite a lot on the internet already. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can actually have a look at it direct, but it's where a motorbike's driving down the road or riding down the road and a pedestrian walks out, and unfortunately this pedestrian gets hit.
Are you kidding?
Although this lady wasn't paying attention, I would like to add, I don't think it was a mobile phone she was holding. Now, that wasn't very nice, that clip, but it could have been a hell of a lot worse, so it's just good to know that no one was seriously injured in that particular incident. At this point, I would like to say a big thanks to all my viewers who've been sending clips in, and we've got plenty to work through over the next coming weeks. If you could keep sending them to the same places, that would be much appreciated. Now, let's have a quick look at this analysis. The bike has just come past the speed camera, so we've got to assume speed's fine and separation distance looks okay also. This is the first point after the van's moved that you can first see the bus that's parked in up ahead. Also notice the bike's speedo is saying 26 miles an hour. The biker reacts quickly and appropriately, does some observation including his lifesaver, and makes his way across. Even the biker's road position for me is pretty good. Now, I know some people might say if he'd have positioned further to the right hand side he might have seen a pedestrian sooner, but honestly this gives you a good view of the road ahead and maximises space from the opposite side where he couldn't see. Understanding the distorted view of the dashcam, this biker had no chance of stopping. I've slowed the footage down so you see actually the little time the biker had. This is the first point where you can tell the pedestrian's going to cross. And in real time that equates to only just a fraction over a second before the pedestrian got hit. Now I've slowed the footage to only 10%. It'll give everyone an opportunity to see just how little observations, or none, the pedestrian made. I've scanned every frame and the pedestrian doesn't look once. She doesn't even walk out. She breaks into a sprint, and it's only now she spots what is about to happen. It always makes me laugh when you have an accident and someone says, "Weren't you lucky?" I think it's comical. Lucky that you got ran over. But honestly, this girl was. Most people wouldn't be driving or riding in the way that this motorcyclist was. She's lucky. She's lucky she's still alive. And honestly, the best bit of the clip is how she just walks off. I can't actually make out what she says, but I'm pretty sure she actually blames the motorcyclist for riding fast. Wow. So what else is there that we could add to that particular clip? Well, for me there's a couple of things I'd just like to let people know about. For me, the girl walking off without exchanging details would send alarm bells ringing to me. There's a possibility of injury on both sides, so if something like that happens, at least exchange details. But because she didn't, the dash cam footage is a lifesaver. It's literally the motorcyclist's only way of proving exactly what went on, and that's why I swear by them so much, whether it be in the car or whether it be on a motorbike, or especially as well a pedal bike or a push bike. So there's a few things to think about there. But what about the damage to the motorbike? Now, there's probably not going to be loads, but there's probably going to be some. So who's liable for that? Now, that's probably another discussion that you could probably think about and maybe comment on in the comment section. But for me, it's just so important to understand about driving defensively. The biker did a great job of minimising injury, and that's why that girl was able to get up and walk off. But keep safe out there, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching as always, and I'll see you all soon.